recording the sewer line here at 20143 53rd Avenue Northeast, Lake Forest Park. The date is Friday, January 15th, 2020. This is recording I'm making after a significant amount of sewer work was done out here at the property. And we are, right now I'm looking at we're through the upstream cleanout. We installed a two-way cleanout here at the corner of the home. I'm looking upstream as far as I can push upstream. This is back inside the house, kind of under the garage. There's actually a clean out inside the garage that will access or get you right to this same point where the camera is sitting. I'm going to pull back from here. We're going to go look at this upstream liner we installed as well as the pipe work, and then show you the downstream work. So coming back from this point up under the garage, this is black ABS plastic pipe running under the foundation that then lips into our liner here. So 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner was installed right there, starting and coming back. This area of the pipe was flat initially, didn't have a lot of grade. You can see still there's a little bit of standing water through this section because the liner did not correct the grade issue. Rather than excavate this whole section on the back side of the house, we elected to line this section. And there you go, you're going right into a PVC SDR 35 repair here at the corner of the home. This would be the northwest corner of the home, I believe. And we're coming back around this turn. There up on the top of the screen you can see the clean out for the downstream clean out we also installed, which will be going down here very shortly. So coming up through the clean out, there is a lot of drippage there, but there is the 4-inch diameter clean out here at the northwest side. Like I said, here is the other 4-inch diameter clean out that's going downstream. So downstream we go, dropping into the pipe here. We go from that SDR 35 right into that 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner again. And as we go down this 4-inch liner, we're heading down along this, running kind of parallel to the house here. Liner turned out very smooth and nice. Gets you right up to this 45-degree turn that we ended the liner right here. So I'll go the rest of the way just to get a look at the rest of the line. But that's where the liner ended. And as we get further down, we drop into another turn and into some 6-inch diameter pipe. So we're now in 6-inch diameter pipe. This runs a ways down through the bushes and that. See a tie-in there at the top. And I'm going to end the video here. We're quite a ways down the line now. Alright, we got a good look at the line there. Finishing the video.